Before you rush to upgrade your gaming rig with the latest motherboard, there are some surprising downsides to the GIGABYTE Z890 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 that you might want to hear about. The GIGABYTE Eagle motherboard presents a sleek matte black design that seamlessly integrates into any gaming setup. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, providing flexibility for builders. A standout feature is its support for Intel's latest Core Ultra 2 series processors, thanks to the LGA 1851 socket and Intel Z890 chipset. This combination promises enhanced performance and efficiency for demanding applications. Memory enthusiasts will appreciate the 4 DDR5 DIMM slots, accommodating up to 256GB of RAM, with speeds reaching 8800 MTS. This capacity ensures smooth multitasking and future-proofing for upcoming software requirements. For expansion, the motherboard offers one PCIe 5.0x16 slot, ideal for the latest graphics cards, and two PCIe 4.0x4 slots for additional peripherals. Storage options are robust, featuring 4 M.2 slots, one supporting PCIe 5.0x4 for ultra-fast NVMe SSDs, and 3 supporting PCIe 4.0x4 alongside 4 SATA 3 6GB/s ports for traditional drives. Networking capabilities are top tier, with a 2.5GB ELAN port for high-speed wired connections and integrated Wi-Fi 7 for cutting-edge wireless performance. Bluetooth 5.4 support further enhances connectivity with various devices. The rear I/O panel is well equipped, featuring a USB 4 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and 4 USB 2.0 ports, ensuring ample connectivity for peripherals. Audio is managed by the Realtek ALC897 codec, supporting 7.1 channel configurations for immersive sound experiences. However, it's worth noting that the Realtek ALC897 audio codec is considered entry-level, which may not meet the expectations of audiophiles seeking premium sound quality. Additionally, while the motherboard offers extensive features, its price point may be higher compared to other models with similar specifications. For those interested in the GIGABYTE Eagle, it's advisable to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers and pricing. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: entry-level audio codec may not satisfy audiophiles, higher price point compared to similar models, limited PCIe 5.0 support to one slot, potential compatibility issues with older components, requires Windows 11 for full Wi-Fi 7 functionality. Pros: supports latest Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors, high memory capacity and speed support, multiple M.2 slots for versatile storage options, advanced networking with 2.5GB ELAN and Wi-Fi 7, comprehensive rear I/O with USB 4 support. To explore the GIGABYTE Eagle Wi-Fi 7 further, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video for more tech reviews and updates.